Ah, shit. Wait. Welcome to the vlog. You thought Poppy forgot? Little content. Yes, sir. On the job. What I do at work? It's a hawk over there. I know y'all probably can't see it, but it's over there. I wonder how these wood chips affected my camera. But yeah. Sheesh! Oh! Yeah! Okay, I just wanted to make this quick video. Wait. Welcome to the vlog. You thought Poppy forgot? All right. But first, I want to make this before I head out. I'm at work getting ready to head out. And I just want to make this quick little video and talk about the ups and the downs I've had with this bike 400 miles in. 400 miles may not seem like a lot to some, but to me, that's a lot of miles. I've been riding dirty. I've been throwing my leg across that thing, bouncing, hopping, and enjoying it like she would. But serious note, 400 miles, did I say 400,000? If I did, that definitely ain't right. But anyway, 400 miles in. So far, the bike has been great. The only gripes I can really give it is the first week I had it, I was experiencing, let me take this off. I was experiencing an issue to where I kept getting bike battery connectivity issues. And I'll just be riding a bike. I'm gonna simulate it for y'all. Let me turn it. I would just be riding a bike, going about my bike, pedaling, and then the battery and the motor would just stop completely, just shut down. I'm just like, whoa, it's a heavy load, you know? And yeah, wait, let me take all this. I'm looking like a goon.
But yeah, it was very dangerous. The bike would just cut off on me in the middle of traffic, which was crazy. You know, you go from going 20 miles an hour to just plummet it down to like 7 quick, 28, plummet down, 12. It's like, what the heck? So yeah, that was an issue that I had. I took it back into the shop. I picked it up from InCycle. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with that shop. I picked it up from there, took it back to the shop. Of course, it was still under warranties. I only had it for a week or two when I was having those issues, but it was still real bothersome because I'm like, I just got this bike. Why? Why me? But they were great. They took care of it. Apparently, there's a known issue. This is a fair warning for anyone that's thinking about getting a Globe haul. There's a known issue within the battery that the battery would have, I guess, specialized put grease on points where they shouldn't have put grease on inside the battery, and it causes it to fail. And they knew about this, and supposedly they recalled those and got new models out. But I just purchased this 2 months ago or so, and 2-3 months ago, and they're still out there floating around. So apparently they didn't get them all, but InCycle handled it for me. They offered me a loaner bike while they had it. They had a quick turnaround. It was the next day. The guy said he got in trouble because he was riding my bike for like 2 hours, and his boss was like, come on, man. But he's like, hey, that's a bad issue. I want to make sure he's good. But yeah, that was one of the issues I had. But other than that, everything's been good. Let me show you guys a 400, turn it on for you. Other than that, things have been pretty smooth. Oh, look at them lights lighting up, y'all. She ready to go. I'm thinking of doing a review on this helmet. I really like this helmet. Let me show you how this works really quick. I know I'm getting thrown off. So first click turns that on, just the little one light. This is so hard, one hand. Second click, solid, and it's solid in the front. You have that little flasher in the back as well in the front. And yeah, I'll get to that another time. But let's get back to this. The light on this threw me off. But yeah, so headlight as well. All right, let's get to it. I'm over right now, 408 miles. And I'm proud of that, y'all, because you don't understand. I've been lazy. And this bike has turned me to not be so lazy. To some, it may be lazy still. What am I doing? Turn off. Some, it may be lazy still because it's an e-bike, but it allows me, these are the pluses. You see that? It allows me to carry all my locks, as well all of my work essentials, and another little backpack somewhere around here. But yeah, it allows me to carry stuff front as well with no hassle on trying to pedal it around, which is great. Because I'm a lazy mofo. But yeah, other than that, the bike has been great. It's been doing everything I needed it to do. It's been getting me around town, riding clean, not dirty. I thought I was gonna say dirty. I know hip hop heads, y'all know what I'm talking about. If not, get out of here. But anyway, the bike has been great, 400 miles in. Other than that issue that I had with the battery connectivity, I'm letting it go because I haven't had no problems since. But other than that, the bike has been great. Y'all digging the fit because I'm out here being visible in these streets. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to get hit. But yeah, other than that, everything is good. I'm going to head out of work. Thank you guys for stopping by. You don't got to subscribe because I ain't going to never ask nobody that. Just enjoy the videos. And I appreciate you for coming through. Get out of here.